Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work here at CES 2019, and we're taking a look at the first flexible phone that I've ever seen in person. This is the Royole FlexPai, and this is not an axe on them, guys. This one actually folds, but it does have a similar style to where it's being held by a hinge in the middle. But the thing about this is that it does have a Snapdragon 855 processor, which is definitely impressive with a 1440p display, and it does actually go into 4x3 when you have it in the tablet mode. Now, my first impressions of this is that it's very different. But the one thing I noticed is that the software was super laggy. I'm not sure if we had a demo unit or if there was probably issues with it, but it was definitely a little bit laggy in my opinion. Super bezels galore. It's definitely a work in progress when it comes to these flexible displays, but for a Snapdragon 855 it should not be lagging, especially when you keep on changing it just like that. But it's definitely different. I think it's very cool. If you guys want to pick it up, it is available in China to import it for over $1,500 to $1,700, all depending on where you pick it up. Stay tuned for more coverage of this. You never know, I might pick it up later.